No, Kiara, that's you. It looks like you.
Yeah, believe it.
No, that actually kind of looks like you, but I can't tell which one is it. Like, I don't know which one, like, I don't know which one. Is this you? Is this like, did I find you? Is this you? Or not? Because I don't know the difference about that video I just sent you.
No, I really think it looks like you. It like really looks like a girl called Pui, but like, well, her last name's like Kiara Cabrera. It does, you know.
Oh yeah, Pooey Butt. Oh yeah, Pooey Butt. The poopy butt that eats every day, which is you. Yeah. Don't mind. I have to do this. And don't mind cough. Yeah. Listen to my other voice message.
Oh my god, darn, I'm playing a raccoon trying to fix my dorm. I'll show you a video. I'll send you a video in a bit. Let me fix it first.
Okay, but you better stop with gaming because you've gamed too much. You're gonna become like queso soon. You're gonna eat too much food and play games. You're gonna look like queso, or maybe probably gonna be bigger than queso. So shut.
You're definitely gonna be twice the size of queso. I know it.
And Jay farted. And to be honest, you're disgusting. No offense. Yeah. Like, what the heck? Like, you're crusty, musty, dusty, rusty, rusty, gusty, musty, rusty, gusty. Like, all of those things. Like, all of the bacteria exist. Like, seriously, you're all the viruses and bacteria that exist. You're like the god of viruses and bacteria. Like, even rats are scared of you because you're too disgusting for them. Like, you stink. Go take a freaking shower. You're stinkier than a great white poo. Go freaking take a shower.
Well, you're lusty, fusty, crusty, busty, lusty, crusty, musty, crusty, pusty, boosty, busty, lusty, ghosty, usty, easty, icy, ghosty, esty, whatty, everything.
This is a personality smells like expired food from 2 days ago. Actually, you smell like the freaking food, like food that has been expired since 2001. Seriously, you stank, bro. You already smell like the food from like 2001 that freaking expired. You smell worse than that. You smell like the food that freaking expired like since like the caveman time, something like 1964 or something. When Adolf Hitler commit, death, and you smell like the Japan nuke. Shut up. Actually, I want to go on my heck on. Go shut up! You like a freaking rat. Like shush, shut the fuck up. Like seriously, shush. I'm reading my packle mode right now. Please shut the fuck up. Like seriously, shut up. Nobody cares about you. Nobody gives a frick about you. Nobody gives an S word about you. Nobody cares about you. So shush, shut the fuck up. Goodbye. Freaking hate you. Bye.
Hey, stop! What are you doing? Gotta stop. I'm trying to make the pizza, okay? Me and the Kit Kat right here downstairs, so stop.
Pedro, I'm mewing. Shush. I am mewing. Bro, you gotta stop talking. I'm holding on my mewing streak, so shut up.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Totally not the middle finger. I promise you, it's not. Seriously, it's not. I promise you. I